The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Percentage by Conversion to Fractions. Example, 25% of 6,249. Let us convert 25% into fraction, that is 25 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 4. You can arrive at 1 by 4 in a step-by-step way too, thereby divide 25 and 100 by a common divisor 5 and getting 5 by 20 at the first stage. In the second stage, you can again divide 5 by 20 and getting the smaller fraction as 1 by 4. Since this is a problem of fraction multiplication, the number 6,249 can also be treated as a fraction. You can treat this number as 6,249 by 1. There are two fractions now which are 1 by 4 and 6,249 by 1. For multiplication, you have to simply multiply the numerators and the multiplied value becomes the dividend of a division problem. Similarly, multiply the denominators, which will become the divisor of the dividend problem. In this problem, we get 6,249, which is the dividend, and 4 multiplied by 1, 4, that becomes the divisor. Now we have to follow the regular division procedures. Set the dividend 6,249 in the right extreme of the abacus and set the divisor 4 in the left extreme of the abacus. As the highest digit 4 of the divisor is less than the highest digit 6 of the dividend, the quotient should be set by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. As there is 1 4 in 6, set 1 in the 100,000s column. Now multiply 1 with 4, which is 0 4, and therefore 0 should be subtracted from the 10,000s column and 4 should be subtracted from the thousands column. Now you get the remainder 2,249. Now take the first two digits of the dividend 22. There are 5 4s in 22 and therefore set 5 to the right of the already set quotient and multiply 5 with 4, which is 20, that should be subtracted from the 22. Now you are left with 249. Now take the first two digits of the dividend, that are 24. Now ask how many 4s in 24? There are 6, and therefore you can go for an assumed quotient or you can take the 6 too as the real quotient. Let us take the 6 as the real quotient. Now 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. That should be subtracted from the hundreds column and the tens column. Now you are left with 9 in the units column. Now what you have to do, take the 9 and ask how many 4s in 9 by saying 2. Set the 2 to the right of the already set quotient 156, and then 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, that is subtracted from the units column. Now you can check the result area. You have 1562 as the quotient. There is a column which is empty, which is nothing but a column which is separating the remainder and the quotient. As the divisor is a single digit number, the remainder should also be given one column, and therefore we have a remainder here which is 1. So the answer is 1562 1 by 4. Now you have to convert 1 by 4 into decimal, and you can treat this as a separate problem too. Well, at this level, children will understand the percentage to some extent. So 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25, because it is 25% of 100. When you reduce 25 by 100 by using the cancellation principle, you will get 1 by 4. So therefore, the answer that we get here is 1562.25. That is 25% of 6249 is 1562.25. Now, there is another possibility also to do a problem like this using smaller digits. Let us find out how that can be done in the next exercise.